Today we're here with Flow 5.
Oh, you're actually recording.
Oh my highlights. Oh my sand, oh my son.
Oh, yes! I can I've ever done that. Good brain. Hey, oh my god! Oh my god! Give me any benefits. Yes. Final. That's almost stolen by Jaden Randall. Back. Oh!
Urgently waiting. Quit it. Oh.
We are at the home care center and we just got the truck right now. And my noodles were just groped by that Asian uncle over there. 1 hour wait.
Told going to a cafe in Armenian Street. At a fancy local center and it's pouring down rain. This is the view from the 20th story up. And there's still like 60 more up there. There's a crazy little... I don't even know what that is. At Deaglan Temple. Oh.
I just like that.
Oh, fish. Yep, taking the buggy down because we're bums and can't walk. Whoa, the turtles. Oh, we're going to the true journey. We got checked out from Penang Street, the famous one. Oh yeah, finally made it from Penang back to Klang now. It's like a 3.5 hour train ride. On the way to Port Dixon, and we stopped to get fruit on the side. Oh yeah. Oh, more clothes. What does this one say?
Join it, 1 co for it.
Oh. People better try to hit me up. That's it. Oh yeah. Got so much snacks. Well, these bums are at school. Kaya toast. What, Leighton just lost, guys. Right in Singapore.
I'll just eat it.
Also tastes it.
There, sauce good. Sorry.
Why is that collarbone breaking? Do drink that.
Oh, it's like it's fun, bro.
Why you bring that?
I'm eating chicken hot right now, okay? Guys, how are we enjoying it? This is Flow 5 holiday part 3 or something. I don't know. Yeah, we got the chicken hearts that no one wants to eat.
That flipping ass, bro.
We got ribs,
Yeah, I'm not that bad, though.
hot dogs.
You haven't tried one, bro. You gotta say that.
Yep, eating raw dog in the hot dog, bro. Gonna make some fried rice. Got these and a baby hat, bro. We got Chef Lachlan on the grill.
Yup.
Yeah, chicken. Yep, and this guy. Yeah, we're making fried rice. You know, like about to. Oh no. We got the shoyu sauce. Yeah, the shoyu.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. We're walking through the streets, the malls of Singapore.
Streets. That was a grocery store.
Yeah, mall milk. Oh yeah, we're walking to dinner. Where are we going for dinner?
Chinese.
I thought it was a Taiwanese restaurant.
It's Teochew actually, but
Where is it? Is it down there? Wow. We're in Marina Bay Sands. Pretty big. And there's water. Oh yeah, just finished dinner. And so we're taking a hike back to the house to burn off the calories, you know, 1.5 Ks. Light work. Yep, we got too lazy to walk, so we're taking the bus now. Oh, we're watching the movie. Pope's Exorcist. Oh, we enjoy.
I don't know where the cinema is though.
Coffee. We're going home, back to Australia.
我爱我的非要上，那么硬的男人非要装。